And as we all know, cancer treatment is not cheap. So what do you do if you find yourself in a bind and maybe need some quick money? Well, if you have some items of value, there is a place to take them where your privacy and dignity is of the utmost importance. This is Erin Kalmbach of Biltmore Loan Jewelry. You had a tongue twister there.
I know, right?
Good to see you, Erin, to explain how Biltmore Loan is really the new modern day bank. We say this all the time. How are you guys different?
We really provide people an opportunity because, as we all know, banks are not providing loans unless you have an incredible credit rating or at any rate, we give people an opportunity to take what we consider their assets or collateral or items and do a loan, whether it's a bridge loan or if they're getting through a difficult time. This really does create something for them to get through those difficult times.
Yeah, and it really is about your anonymity. It's about protecting that and making sure that you're getting what you need. So today you've brought along some beautiful items. This is jewelry, and this is sterling silver, which is really hot right now.
Right. I wanted to bring in some sterling silver designer brand names, because most people, when they want to sell or get a loan on something, they don't really think of sterling silver. They think of gold items. Sterling silver designers sell in, Neiman Marcus, Nordstrom's, a lot of places that these are all expensive, and they're all very, very trendy and hot right now. So if people need to get a loan or if they'd like to sell some, they can bring it in and we can assess it and do either.
Yeah, and on Tuesdays you hear us say all the time, whether it be David here or Harriet or Erin, we always tell you about the team, and you guys are a team, and it's about making sure you get to know those customers. And you shared a very special story with me about one of the customers who came in. She was battling breast cancer. What was her story?
She, really wonderful, strong woman. She came in, she's come in twice. And she's done some loans. She discovered that she had breast cancer and had to take some time off work and do her treatments. And she needed to get some extra money for her treatments to provide for either the copay for the treatments. And she brought her items in and did a loan, and then actually redeemed that loan, and then came in later and brought some other items in, and also brought some designer sterling brand name silver in. And
it's very special. I've seen you, get very emotional. I've seen David. I've seen Harriet. You guys really do care about the customers, and your anonymity is so protected because it is a private one-on-one, right?
Yes, it is private. They come into the office, and I end up talking to them for a very long time and hearing their stories, and that story was very sensitive and wonderful story, and
particularly touching right now. Right. So this jewelry, all of it combined, how much would something like this be loaned for?
This is $1,500, and this is I bought this all for $1,500. It really depends on the designer, because some of them are a bit more trendy than others. Like those bangles right there are Menta and Gurhan. They have this black rhodium, and they're two-tone, really popular. So they sell very, very well.
Beautiful.
So some might bring in a bit more than others. I don't have any Tiffany here, but Tiffany. Sometimes David German, John Hardy. This is Ippolita, and this is also Ippolita, and this is turquoise. So if they're not sure, they can always call.
I was going to say, if you've got questions, they make it so simple for you. Email, snap a picture of your items, send that picture to them. They'll tell you what it's worth. That's info@biltmoreloan.com. That's where you can send those photos, and they'll meet with you. And then you can give them a call as well, 480-991-LOAN. Appointments are required. You could also go online, biltmoreloan.com, or follow them on Facebook at facebook.com/biltmoreloan. And Terry, as we know, every time David comes, any of them, it's such an important time. It may be a downturn for somebody to get back on their feet.
Right. Sometimes you just need that extra little bridge just to get over the hump.
Just to get over the hump.
All right. Well, thank you very much.